भारत चीन भूतानाचे डोकलाम शिमेवेलो तणाव सध्या निवला। भारत आणि चीनान आपापले लष्कर सिक्कीमाच्या डोकलाम बॉर्डरी वेल्यान फाटी घेवंक सुरवात केल्या। ब्रिक्स परिषदे पयलीं हो निर्णय जाल्ल्यान चीन भोंवडेर वचपाचे आशिल्ले प्रधानमंत्री मोदीक प्लस पॉइंट। 16 जूना सावन भारत आणि चीन दोगांचे लष्कर डोकलाम बॉर्डरीचेर तळ ठोकून आशिल्ले। 2 म्हयने उपरांत हो तणाव निवला। 4 झेडपी बाय इलेक्शनाचोय रिझल्ट आयलो। नुवे काँग्रेसीचो रुबेन कॉस्ता ताणे अपक्ष उमेदवार मार्कुस पेरेराक हारयलो। कुडतरे काँग्रेसीचो मोरेनो रिबेलो आयलो। ताणे 2 अपक्षांचेर जैत जोडला। कळंगूट बीजेपीचो दत्तप्रसाद धाबोळकार ताणे काँग्रेसीचे जॉय फर्नांडिसाक हारयला। खोर्ले काँग्रेसीक हरोवन बीजेपीची महिमा देसाय जिखली।
झेडपी बाय इलेक्शनात आमदारांनी आपापले गट राखले। कळंगुटे बीजेपीचो, नुव्या काँग्रेसीचो, कुडतरी काँग्रेसीचो जाल्यार खोर्ले बीजेपीचो झेडपी उमेदवार आयलो। कळंगूट बीजेपीच्या दत्तप्रसाद दाबोळकारान काँग्रेसीच्या जॉय फर्नांडिसाक हरयलो। दाबोळकाराक 6,390 मतां पडलीं जाल्यार फर्नांडिसाक 3,716 पडलीं।
कळंगूट कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी तेंच्यांनी म्हाजेर विश्वास दवरलो, फेथ दवरलो आनी बहुमतांनी निवडून हाडलो बाय ह्यूज मार्जिन। People of Kalangut, Kandolim, Arpora, Nagwa, they have come out in numbers and they have supported me. I pledge my support to them and vow to work towards the prosperity of my constituency. As per Zilla Panchayat funds, I need to take up some play school playground zones. I will do this job in association with the concerned village Panchayat. And along with the help of my MLA, Mr. Michael Lobo.
नुव्या काँग्रेसीच्या रुबेन कॉस्तान अपक्ष उमेदवार मार्कुस परेराक हरयलो। कॉस्ताक 4,780 मतां पडलीं जाल्यार परेराक 2,676 मतां पडलीं।
First of all, I want to thank the Almighty God for this victory. Honorable MLA of Nuwe, Shri Wilfred Issa, who has strongly supported me. All the sarpanches of Nuwe, Verna, Nagwa, all the Panch members, all the voters of Nuwe, Verna, Nagwa villages for having faith in me and electing me as a ZP member. I will work for the development of all these 3 villages, Nuwe, Verna, Nagwa, with all schemes with the help of the Honorable MLA, Shri Wilfred Issa.
आज आमगेली नुवे बाय इलेक्शन जाली आनी हे दोन वर्सां भितर 4 इलेक्शन जाली आनी हे 4 इलेक्शन म्हळ्यार लोक मातशे भायर सरपा उणी जालो। हांव दिला राहुल तेदोणा आमकां 10,000 वोट जाल्ली आनी आतां 7,500 म्हळ्यार लोकांन एक आपल्या गेले ट्रेंड दवरले सदांच लीड दिवपाक। जावं नुवें, वेर्ना, नागवा हे 3 विलेजीन हांव सदां लीड घेयत येयलां। तेंची लोकांन सांबाळ्ळां आनी आजूय आमकां 3 विलेजीन लीड मेळ्ळा। नुवेंय लीड मेळ्ळी, वेर्नाय मेळ्ळी, तेगेली विलेज ती आमगे ऑपोजिशन आली थिंगाय आमकां लीड मेळ्ळी आनी नागवाय लीड मेळ्ळी। हांव सगल्यांक आमच्या मेंबरां नांव आमगेल्या कॅन्डिडेटां नांव सगल्या नुवें, वेर्ना, नागवा हांकां सगल्या आमगेल्या लोकांक थँक्स कोता कित्याक तेणी हो फेथ आमचे दवरल म्हूण।
कुडतरे काँग्रेसीचो मोरेन रिबेलो जिखलो। रिबेलोन अपक्ष दिओनिसियो सार्दीन आनी कॉसेसियो डायसाक हरयले। काँग्रेसीच्या रिबेलोक 5,355 जाल्यार दुसरे नंबरावेल्या दिओनिसियो सार्दिनाक 3,414 मतां पडलीं।
Whatever works are to be undertaken in Zilla Panchayat, we will try to execute those jobs and demand for more allocation of funds.
The victory, are you happy with the margin?
Yeah, I am very happy because I have not spent money. All those votes that we have got are because of people I voted out of because I am a sincere and honest candidate. So we have not spent money. My own people are saying, "Are tum push mode." We have not spent money. So whatever margin what we have got is purely because as a honest and a sincere candidate and the good work of all my people who are with me.
Even at the backing of as many as 3 MLAs, how come the margin would not be much not it was
See, first of all, turnout was very less. No? Turnout was very less. It's hardly in Kutturi it was something like in 43% something. And in Arial it was 54%. Makasan also almost 50%. So turnout was very less. And MLAs, all 3 MLAs no doubt were there with me, but initially what happened, till 12 they were busy with the assembly. So it is only the last few days that Reginald and Lefaso have been taking the things along with us. and Philip Neri was out of station. He is arrived only on the 20th, so he was not been able to contribute much to my campaign. He has directed his workers to be with me, but he was not there for the last week, which is very crucial in any election.
खोर्ले बीजेपीचे महिमा देसायान काँग्रेसीच्या अनिशा परेरा घरयली. देसायाक 5,905 मतां पडली जाल्यार परेराक 2,087 मतां पडली. जेडपी इलेक्शनाचो रिजल्ट पळयलो जाल्यार तो 2017चे विधानसभा इलेक्शनाच्या निकालाच्या धर्तेर लागला. उत्तरेंतले 2 जेडपी बीजेपीचे जाल्यार दक्षिण गोंयच्यो 2 काँग्रेसीचे. आमदारांनी आपापले जेडपी राखले. इतले मजगतीं मोर्ले पंचायतीच्या पोटवेंचणुकेंत विद्या सावंत 171 मतांनी जिखली जाल्यार धर्मापूर शिर्ली कायताना वाज बिनविरोध आयल्या. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.
गिव एक ब्रेक.